Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we are going to do English, and in English we are going to do lesson number 2, fun indoors. Yes, children, in earlier lecture what we did? We have done the fun indoors lesson number 2. I have explained you. Yes, children. So, today we are going to do hard words, fill in the blanks, complete the following. Yes, children. So, let's start. Okay, all of you have to write in your fair book. If you don't have to write with me. Okay, I will send you the photos. Then only you have to copy it. Okay, children. Then let's start. Number 1 is morning. Number 1 is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Yes, these are the hard words. You have to give the heading. Hard words. Okay, children. Number 2 is Sunday. Yes, Sunday is a fun day. So Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Number 3 is Millie. M-I-L-L-I-E. Millie. M-I-L-L-I. Millie. Now Billy. B-I-L-L-Y. Billy. B-I-L-L-Y. Billy. Now number 5 is Mummy. M-U-M-M-Y. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Yes, number 6 is dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. Now number 7 is weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. W-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Number 8 is afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Number 9 is terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. If the spelling is big, you can't learn it. Divide the spellings. Okay? मैंने हर बार आपको समझा है कि आपको स्पेलिंग अभी हार्ड लग रहा है तो उसको डिवाइड कर दो. T-E-R. I-B-L-E. Terrible. Yes, children. Now next is number 10 is Gale. G-A-L-E. Gale. G-A-L-E. Gale means जोर से बहुत सख्त हवा ठंडा हवा चल रही थी. Gale. G-A-L-E. Gale. Yes, strong wind was blowing. So पवन हवा उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Gale. Now number 11 is howling. H-O-W-L-I-N-G. Howling. H-O-W-L-I-N-G. Howling. Now number 12 is imagination. Imagination. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. double G LED snuggled. SNU double G LED snuggled means comfortable जगह में सोने के लिए। पूरा दिन हम थक जाते हैं, फिर चलो अभी तो हम सोने जाते हैं तो हमको आराम मिलता है ना, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्नगल्ड। कंफर्टेबल जगह पे हम पहुंच गए। यस चिल्ड्रन, स्नगल्ड। नाउ नंबर 24 is the last one. Bathroom. 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 These are the hard words, children. You have to write in your notebook. Yes, in your fair book. And now we'll move to fill in the blanks. Okay, children? Yes. Fill in the blanks. All of you have understood the story. Okay? Yes. Now we have to learn the hard words. Then only you have to write. Okay, children? Learn and write so that it can be easy for you. Also, okay, now we'll go for fill in the blanks. Give the heading is fill in the blanks. FILL, fill, IN, in the blanks. The blanks. Okay, children. Now, first one is, number 1 is Millie and Billy. Millie and Billy. Millie and Billy eat sorry. Number 1 is the weather is dash. The weather is dash. The weather is terrible. So what we will write in dash? Terrible. 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 Okay, children. Now number 2 is it was blowing a dash outside. Blowing a dash outside. Outside. Okay, children. What is here? What will come? Blowing. मैंने अभी आपको समझाया था क्या आएगा? Blowing wind था, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Gale. 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 It was blowing a gale outside. So gale is a fill in the blank. It was a blowing gale outside. So what we will write? GALE. Gale. Now next is Millie away, hidden away behind a cupboard. क्या ढूंढा था? कौन सा टॉय था चिल्ड्रन? Behind a cupboard. Yes, जिसने पूरी स्टोरी का वीडियो देखा होगा एक्सप्लेनेशन का उसको पता होगा. All of you are seeing the videos. Yes children. So answer me. They found a little toy of dash hidden away behind the cupboard. Which was the toy? Yes, moose. Yes children. M-O-O-S-E, moose. Okay. M-O-O-S-E, moose. Okay. Here we have completed the fill in the blanks. Now we will move to complete the following. Okay children. So what is the short form of fill in the blanks? Fill in the blanks का short form क्या है? अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ short form तो क्या होगा? FB. Whenever I write FB, you have to understand that is the meaning of fill in the blanks. Okay, उसका full form है fill in the blanks. Okay, so I will write here FB. Okay, तो आपको याद रखना है short form क्या है? Fill in the blanks का FB. Okay, now we will go for complete the following. What is the short form of complete the following? Complete the following. चलो, complete the following का short form क्या है? Who will tell me? Yes, all of you. Yes, short form of complete the following is CF. Okay, children. CF. Complete the following. Now, number one is Millie and Billy. Millie and Billy. Millie and Billy. Each ate what they ate? Two. क्या खाया था? चलो कौन बताएगा? Yes, that is the answer. What you will tell? Millie and Billy ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. Yes children. क्या खाया था उन्होंने? मिली और बिली ने? Yes, 2 pancakes and milk. Yes, full stop. Don't forget to put a full stop and dash. Okay children. Now number 2 is after that they pulled some chairs. They pulled some chairs together. क्या किया था उन्होंने? चेयर को एक साथ किया था. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया था? ऐसा टेंट बनाया था. Yes, they dragged a sheet. Yes, chairs and they pulled some chairs together. साथ में कर दी थी चेयर. Yes, together and dragged a sheet on them to make क्या बनाने के लिए ड्रैग किया था? Yes children, to make a tent. Yes, make a tent in the living room. Make a tent in the living room. Make a tent in the living room. Yes children. So again they pulled some chairs together and dragged a sheet on them to make a tent in the living room. Yes, now I will wrap it and write number 3. Nobody will write with me. I will send you pretended this time they pretended to be, क्या बने थे वो? To be fish. चलो, to be fish swimming around the stream. Fish swimming around in a stream. Around in a stream. Full stop. Put a dash. This time they pretended to be fish swimming around in a stream. Yes.